Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel as we are discussing the axial skeleton of different species. So today we have the sacrum vertebrae. First of all, I will define the sacrum vertebrae. Sacrum vertebrae are triangular in shape. They are fused with each other and also called as false vertebrae. The one point is that this vertebrae forms the roof of the pelvic cavity. So this is found in the pelvic region of mammals. Now we are going towards the basic terminologies. First of all, we will divide this vertebrae in different parts. That this vertebrae has two surfaces, two borders and two extremities. The two surface is the first one is the dorsal surface. This is the dorsal surface of the vertebrae, and this one is called the ventral surface or a pelvic surface. As I mentioned, this surface forms the roof of the pelvic cavity, so this is also called the pelvic surface. Now we will go towards the borders. This vertebrae has two borders, and this border is formed by the fusion of transverse process, which we will explain later. So extremities, there are two extremities. This is the cranial extremity, this is towards the cranium, and this is the caudal extremity, so this is towards the cauda of the horse, dog and other species. So we are going towards the basic terminologies. This is called the spine process, and this is the first spine process of sacrum vertebrae. This is the second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, this is the transverse process, and they all are fused, so they form a ridge or a crest. This is called a lateral sacral crest. Now we are going towards the foramens. So these are called the transverse foramens, and these are called the intervertebral foramen. In the another foramen, this is present in all the vertebrae except caudal vertebrae. This is called the vertebral foramen. This is a vertebral foramen. So on the base there is a process, this is called promontory. So on the lateral side, this process is called promontory. Now we are going towards the species difference. So we have the vertebrae, sacral vertebrae of horse. So first of all, I will define this one. In the horse, we have partially fused sacral vertebrae. So these bones are partially fused. As we have the sacrum vertebrae of horse, so the spaces between spine process are present, so it is partially or incompletely fused. And the second difference is that the pelvic surface of the horse sacrum vertebrae is not so curved, it is less curved, and the wings are also upward curved. The third one is the difference of foramens. Horse has four pairs of the lateral foramens. These are four in number on the lateral surface and four in the ventral pelvic surface. So there are four pairs of ventral surface or ventral sacral foramen. These are called ventral sacral foramen. Now we are going towards the species difference of ox. So ox has a completely fused concave, the pelvic and both craniocaudally transversely. So the ox vertebrae are fully fused. They have no junctions between the spine processes, and they form a ridge-like structure. Dog also has a ridge-like structure that is sharp and sharper than that of the ox. So we are going towards the foramens. So ox has two pair of foramens on the dorsal surface. This is called lateral or dorsal sacral foramens, and they also have two pairs of foramens on the lateral or pelvic surface. Now we are going towards the dog. So dog also have completely fused fused sacral vertebrae, and there is no such difference, but we can also differentiate the sacral vertebrae of dog in size, because dog has a smaller shape sacral vertebrae. The first point is that the dog sacral vertebrae is completely fused and form a sharp ridge. The second point is that they have two pairs of dorsal or a ventral sacral foramen, and three pairs of ventral sacral foramen. The spine process is fused, forming medial sacral crest and lateral sacral crest. The spine process of the dog fuses and they form two crests. The one is the medial sacral crest and the other is the lateral sacral crest. So okay guys, that's all about the sacrum vertebrae. See you in next video. So the Hafiz.